Burkina Faso handover of a surveillance drone and 3 radio stations to the 31st RIC. Central East Region presents their support for the Burkina Faso fight against terrorism through donation of a drone. They contributed to the defense and security capacities. The governor of the region went to hand over the territory surveillance equipment on June 25th, and on the handover ceremony, the drones and radio were handed over for the benefit of 31st Commando Infantry Regiment of Tenkodogo. Thanks to the citizens for the contribution. On the initiative of citizen monitoring, this donation will allow the FDS and VDP to anticipate thwarting the actions of terrorist groups on ground, with a view to putting them out of harm's way. And what motivated the brothers, sons, and daughters, sisters here, I think, is the call of the president of FASO. And more particularly, we have a province which is still under the embargo. What must be done is what it is to contribute to what we come to the end by making our contributions to fix this. One of the beneficiaries expressed his gratitude to the donors for their generosity, while saluting the citizen initiative and commitment in the quest for peace and security. The Colonel Abadao Karim launched a vibrant appeal to the sons and daughters of the region to follow the example of citizen monitoring. You know what drone does in terms of intelligence, and I believe that we need and we are counting on the daughters and sons of the region to give their support so that we can put terrorism out of the capital region and out of Burkina Faso. The total value of the donation is estimated at 7 million CFA and similar equipments to be delivered in coming weeks. Wow, this is good. This is good. God bless their kind gesture. This is exactly what will help in ensuring that everything works out as planned in Burkina Faso generally. If everyone comes together to donate and support, because it's actually not a one-man thing, but I am happy the way they are contributing, the way they are supporting this quest for security and peace to be restored in the land. This is a good one and commendable. Thank you again for your time with me. I don't take it for granted. Hope to see you in my next as I bring your way again more trending news. Bye.